Most people see a factory worker as someone who is managing the machine, enduring the heat, clocking for a shift. But when I just look in the mirror, I don't just see a technician. I see a student who just enrolled in toughest business school in Kigali. Today, I am going to show you why every hour I spend in the factory is the foundation for my boutique that I'm going to open. Yeah, yeah. So let me share with you the honest reality. I get asked a lot, how are you going to open a boutique when you don't have the capital yet? I have to be honest. Of course, I don't have the capital yet, but I have a plan. I have work ethic. I have consistency. Right now, my factory job is not paying enough for my daily needs, but it is seed money. It is my seed money. Every shift I work is step closer to the capital that I need. And I am not waiting for the money to appear. I am building a bridge to reach it. At tempering furnace, we deal with 700 degrees Celsius. And if you miscalculate, the whole batch is ruined. Let me tell you what the pressure taught me. The pressure taught me something vital. Attention to every detail is non-negotiable. So when I'm going to open my boutique, I'm not going just to be selling clothes, goods, or something else. I am going to be selling the same level of precision. I am learning how to manage inventory. I am learning how to handle workplace challenges. I'm learning how to maintain quality control when I am tired. So these are not work tasks. They are entrepreneurship in disguise. Reading in Rwanda is special. Right now, we are in season of incredible growth. When I look around at the business that is popping up in my neighborhood, and I think about what makes them work. Do you know what makes them work? Question mark. And let me share with you something others don't know. My environment is not just workplace. It is my research lab. I am constantly learning, observing how to bring something different to this market. Do you know why I'm documenting this? Because I want to take a look back in a few years and see the blueprint. So whether you are working, studying, or just grinding the dream that feels far away, classroom is where you are right now. So if you want to follow this journey from the factory floor to the day that I open my boutique, make sure you are subscribed. Let's keep this post going. I will see you in the next one. Bye.